Hello everyone, this is the experiment reflection and refraction. So today we will study the reflection of light due to a plane mirror, refraction of light due to a glass, refraction of light due to water. And this is a plate you can rotate. On top we have paper with some dashed line. If you observe here, each line they are 10 degrees apart. And you have a horizontal and a vertical solid line. This is the laser light source we will use. Now I have a incident light come to the mirror from left side and light is reflected back from this one. And if you look at the angle incidence exactly 10 degrees. The angle reflection exactly 10 degrees. Now let's check a different angle. So if I try this line. This is the normal line. The light coming to the mirror perpendicular to the mirror and the light is reflected back perpendicular. Both the angle incidence, the angle reflection is 0 in this case. Now if I increase the angle incidence, the angle reflection also increase. For this diagram, both angle incidence and the angle reflection are 30 degrees. Next, I'm going to show you the refraction of light due to this glass object. And it's semicircle. The one side is flat, so the reflection and refraction will happen at this flat surface. And this side is semicircle. When the light pass from the radio, the center, and when they pass through the semicircle, because it's perpendicular to the surface, there will be no change of direction on this surface. The first angle I'm trying is 0 angle. Incident light coming to the surface perpendicular, and it will not. Next one I'm showing you when the angle incidence is 0, the angle refraction is also 0. So you see light is straight, there is no deflection. Next, I make the angle incidence is 10 degrees, so the angle is always measured with respect to the normal line. The normal line is the vertical line that's perpendicular to the surface. And the angle incidence is 10 degrees, the angle refraction is less than 10 degrees, probably 5 or 6. I will make a mark here, so we can use a protractor to measure that angle later. In this angle incidence is about 30 degrees. The angle of refraction is 20 degrees. So 20 degrees, it's always measured with respect to the normal line. This is angle incidence, that's the angle refraction. Next, I'm going to show you the refraction of light due to water. There is water in this box, and again the shape is the semicircle. The reflection and the refraction happen on this flat surface. And when light passes through this semicircle, there is no change of direction. So the first angle is again 0 angle incidence, 0 angle of refraction. The next angle incidence, this is about 20 degrees. If you look at this side, looks like there are 2 lines, and one of the lines is very weak. It looks like that's straight. So that's actually light coming from the bottom of this water bottle, between the bottle and the page. So it's not very tight. And we will only read the first line. This is the angle. This is the refracted light. The next one, the angle of incidence is 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees, and the angle of refraction is about 27 or 27 degrees, but we can use the protractor to measure the exact angle. And the angle of refraction is always less than the angle of incidence for this case, because speed of light travels slower in water than in air.